This is a pico challenge, and this is pico. A pico is 1/1,000,000th. That's 10 to the minus 12. 12 zeros. A pico is a very small number, so this is a very short challenge. Be careful about leaving a space at the end of a string. The space character is a character and matches the space character. M equals M is true, but M does not equal M space. I'll show this in Scratch now. This is a pico challenge, so I'll get rid of the cat, delete. I'll get pico, new sprite, fantasy, double click on pico. I'll get the equals operator, operators, equals, capital M, capital M. The values are equal. I'll duplicate it, add a space after the M, try it. It's false. M is not equal to M space. I'm finished with this pico challenge. Play with the equals operator if this is new to you, and have fun with it.